unbox this bad boy. And this thing is connected to the board. And you can use your own battery for this. Now we're out here to go on the panel and check it out. Hi guys, so welcome to Learning Public Sky. Today we're gonna be unboxing a board. So guys, where's my board? Let me get these are for my website. Ooh, I get it. Let's unbox this bad boy. This is how the board looks like. And it has a remote. So now, let's open it. So the way I would open it is just take the tape off. But you can open it any way you want. Yeah, this thing has a low battery life. Good. Now let's take tape off. Oh God! Hey, check this thing out! This is so cool! Let's take out the tape. Yes. Guys, look! This is the remote. It has foam on it. This is the plug, the battery connected to it, and this is the most main thing of this video, the boat. Let's go. This thing is cool. And also, remember, don't put your hands here, kids. And here's how it goes. You're gonna put both of your thumb fingers, kind of like if you're playing a PlayStation. You put both fingers on this, and then you can go anywhere, left to right, left to right. Okay? There's some buttons here that I don't know what this means. But now let's get on to the battery, which is the most dangerous part of the video. So you have to be careful. 1. Connect the red wire to open positive and black wire. Negative pole. Disconnect the charging cable when not used. Okay? That's a warning. And this thing is connected to the board. And you can use your own battery for this. Guys, this is the part what spins, okay? So never put your hand here. This thing spins fast. Guys, you see this thing on the bottom? That is the thing that's gonna spin and make the boat go fast. This thing is the thing that when you use the remote control, it turns the boat. These two things make the boat go straight. This is the place where you open it and then plug this thing in. Okay, you can turn this lock and then it opens this piece. So guys, this is the spare part just in case it breaks, okay? So see, this is red, black, red, black. Yeah, you connect red to red and black to black, okay? Okay guys, I'm back with the screwdriver. I'm ready to open this. Now I get it. Guys, Rohit came back with the battery. And it has to be in the water. Remember, like I said in the last time, it has to be in the water to float. So you can't keep it underwater way too long. Okay? And also, you can. It goes really fast. So maybe you shouldn't use it in a kiddie pool or something like that. Use it like in the kennel like we have there that we're gonna use at 10. Guys, know my daddy's holding this because it's super fast. Now watch. See that? Now we're out here going to out. And now we're going to go test the kennel and we will need some YouTube video to see about the oil because the instructions is something to do with the oil. And we found out how to flip it and here's how you flip it. So I'm going to test it now. I'm going to test it out.